Good morning, Ashton here at Lancaster MG. In front of me I've got this lovely ZS exclusive in silver. It's a 19 plate single owner car with really good service history on it. Some automatic headlights. Got some lovely roof rating as well. Got these atomic 19-inch wheels. The bodywork is nice and lovely. At this point I'll be showing you any wear and tear, which in this case just that scratch down here, but we can get that fixed. There's no I'm in there. It's got rear parking sensors along with the camera. Show you the boot space. So you got plenty of boot space down there. You do get space for your spare wheel along with the Tyre packet. Some spaces down here with some netting. All four wheels are nice, tidy. There's no curbing on the wheels. Get some leather interior as well. We'll jump in and I'll show you inside. So the car's done just 12,786 miles. Got some really nice TFT there. Show you the reverse camera. Shows you the distance remaining as well. Very nice automatic gearbox. Comes with adaptive cruise control, a multi-function steering wheel, automatic headlights, automatic wipers. Yeah, all of our cars live with minimum 9 months of MOT and service. If you want to know more about this car, please get in touch with one of our sales team over the call, or alternately you can send us an email and we'll be in touch. All right, thanks for watching. Have a nice day.